Alright, I'm out here at 3rd Avenue crossing in Attalla, Alabama. We've got a bit of an update here. First off, that signal still remains unchanged. It's still the late 90s NS signal that has been here for a good while now. The reason I'm pointing this out real fast is because it appears this signal here, I'd been told this signal, I'd even shown a picture of it, this signal has station type 3 on top of it, but I think the entire signal may have actually been replaced. It's possible a couple of pieces were reused from the previous signal here, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to record this because I don't know if there's a train coming or not, but kind of doubt because this is the AGS North, not exactly the busiest line out there. But the main reason I think this entire signal is replaced, because if you look right here, you got the emergency information. As you can see there, it says Kyle Road. Looks like the old dot number on it was 725343L. If anyone wants to verify that, which is a different dot number from what this crossing has. In fact, the other one, the old emergency information on it still gives the dot number for this crossing. But anyways, this signal here, like, it has a safe train base, safe train gate mechanism. It is possible this was reused from the previous signal. I'm not entirely sure though. Along with the base, possible those two pieces were reused, but the mast was definitely replaced at least. And the lights, which I think were also replaced, were our safe train 12x24 inch lights. They seem to just be a bit newer, probably from like the mid to late 2000s, which is probably when this mast may have been installed, though it might be a bit newer than that. But also right here's the emergency information. As you can see, dot number 725280J. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, the bell on this signal is a Safe Train Type 3 electronic bell replacing a GS Type 1. I thought the Type 1 just simply died, but no, I think they had replaced the entire signal now. And then we got the gate lights, which are all NEG LED gate lights. Like I said, the air signal remains entirely unchanged. And if I come over here to it, you can see it's still got the GS Type 1 on top of it. Still got the NEG incandescent, still got the Safe Train 12x20s from the late 90s. As you can see here, it says 3rd Avenue. Although it is a bit faded, but you can see it does say 3rd Avenue. And then of course up here you got the dot tag, which this signal lacks, this air signal lacks entirely, and you can't have a dot tag. So that's why I think this, that's why I think the crossing here, that's why I think this signal over here at this crossing was replaced. Now it's possible some equipment may have been reused from the previous one, but certainly looks like they replaced the entire signal to me. I guess I also wonder if someone just simply like hid it or something. But yeah, just thought I'd get a video update here at 3rd Avenue in Attalla, Alabama. Over and out.